So this is gonna be a quick video, no real editing. It's Sunday. I intend to put this out as soon as I make it. I wasn't gonna make one today, but I realized a lot of people are probably freaking out because I posted this on X kind of as a joke. And I said, hey, what is this chart pattern? It's Sunday. You see the market's tanking. If you haven't been in this market before, crypto that is, through any of the bull and bear markets, or you're just new to crypto in general, or you have been in it and you're thinking, what's going on? What do I do? I'm just gonna tell you what I do and how I see things. I'm Brian. I'm a big dumb animal, informational purposes only. I don't want people to freak out when they see things like this. So let me show you what I typically do when I see down days. Or I look and I see one of my crypto, I have probably like 60 or so, and it's tanking and I'm like, oh my gosh. Well, there's a big difference between the entire market going down, your crypto being in that, or everything's going up and yours is going down. Okay, so with the moment, we are in a down day for pretty much everything. So first I should say, I follow, generally speaking, this flow that you've seen before where money's in Bitcoin for a while, it moves down to Ethereum and then into altcoins. Whether or not it's going to follow that pattern, I don't know. But that's still what I'm looking at in terms of are we in alt season or not? So if you go to TradingView, you type in total, TOTAL, the entire market. So you can see here, I believe I have this on an hourly. Yeah. So this is Sunday coming down quite a bit. All right. So let's zoom out. If we zoom out, this purple line is showing the peak of the last bull market years ago. And it's below that and coming down quite a bit. Then I go, okay, what's total 2? Total 2 takes out Bitcoin. And it's down again, same thing. And if we go to others, that's pretty much all the altcoins except for the top 10, taking out Bitcoin, Ethereum, some stable coins and other stuff. And you can see here that yes, we are down again. We've down quite a bit, but this happened not too long ago. And this was back that was in 2024 when it's been that low. All right. So what does this tell me? Well, you might think, okay, well, if the market's going down, then this whole crypto bull run, well, it's over. In my opinion, and I am acting as if it's not over, I want to see, we've talked about this before, Bitcoin dominance start to go down. Dominance is how much of the market cap is Bitcoin taking up. It's at 61.84. It's pretty high. One of the indicators I like the most, I've shown this before, is the Pi cycle top. Not going to get into how it works. They've got a definition here. You can look it up. It's Bitcoin Magazine. And this is free. I don't have the paid version. You'll see it. When these lines cross, these two moving averages, within 3 days, Bitcoin dominance starts to drop. They're pretty far apart. That hasn't happened. So in my mind, in terms of the phases, we're still in Bitcoin, yet to drop down to Ethereum. Here's Ethereum, which I'm not too excited about. I mean, I do. I love Ethereum. I have quite a bit. And actually, a week ago, I bought a significant amount more because I believe it's going to break to the upside. I left these purple lines because I put them in here before they broke through. This is on balance volume. Now, the good news is, as Ethereum's been coming down, volume on the upside has been going up. That's what we want to see. You want to see volume preceding price because you'll have a tipping point. People are buying and buying and buying and buying, but the price is still coming down. They're buying, they're buying, they're buying. And then eventually supply and demand, it starts to flip because there's been so much buying pressure that there's not as much left to sell. And now things start moving up. That's what I'm looking for with respect to Ethereum and my other altcoins. So I wanted to show you that generally speaking, I don't think the market is in a bull run over. I think it's in bull run. We are in a bull run. It has already started last year, last summer, last December. Those were peaks and valleys. And I think we really have a long way to go. I can tell you that, and I've said before on my channel, I have sold some of my crypto when it's turned green. Some I went completely out of, some I just sold a percentage of. What do I mean turn green? When I had a profit. So if I sold some and I took that and turned it into USD dollars and put it in my bank account, that would be me saying, I believe the bull run's over for some of these and I'm getting out. But what I've done with that money is I've actually taken some of those profits and put them into other things, bringing, DCAing, dollar cost averaging, bringing my average price of something down. So if I have 1,000 at $10 and I'm able to buy 1,000 at $5, Well, now I have 2,000 at $7.50. So I only sell out on ones where I say opportunity cost. I don't have more capital put in, or I don't want to put more capital in. I've put in the max I want to put in. Now I'm just moving things around to change my portfolio because I think this one might only 2x from here, yet this one might 8x from here. So that's me saying, what do? I don't believe we're in a full bull run mode yet. I think it's got time to come. I want to see Bitcoin dominance come down. I want to see that come down probably right after these two cross. So this is the main thing I'm keeping an eye on. And then if you just jump over to like marketcap.com, they've got these indicators here, which are great. You can say, do they think we're in altcoin season? Everything's saying no. It's extremely low. It's a 14. Fear and greed. There's a lot of fear in the market at the moment. So that's it. Quick Sunday. Sometimes it's just nice to hear and see what other people are doing. Again, big dumb animal. I could be completely wrong, but I am betting my money that I'm not. We shall see. Have a great day. Hope this was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already.